Hello my dear friends, this is the main unit, the VED exclusive water heater 27 kW. In order to open it, you demount the two covers and then you demount these boards. I'm not going to demount it now, I'm just showing you the main unit. It's very small, it's very light, it's about 4.4 kilograms. This is the back side, water insulation. And here, this is for the electric cable, okay? And here you have the installation template, which you can use. It's very helpful in order to have a proper mounting. And that's all for now, my friends. See you soon. Bye bye.